What is that up in the sky? It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it is an insurance sending a drone to check on the quality of your roof. So you've worked really hard, you've gotten a home. Remember to do your 4-point inspection and send that over to your insurance company so you can make the case that, hey, insurance company, I have got a great roof, I've got great plumbing, I've got great electrical, and I want a very good price on my insurance policy. And we are in Florida, and insurance companies are trying to find every reason to cancel your insurance. If you get them coming post-closing for an inspection and taking a look and saying, well, we need this done, we need this done, make sure you call your agent, call your inspector, and also you can do a wind mitigation and get a roofer out there to say, hey, Mr. Insurance Company, your drone was wrong. This is a great roof. So be prepared to make the case and make sure that you keep your eyes open for any crazy drones and get them out.